As I said on Monday, throughout this week, I want to offer some brief reflections on our mission in the world as lay people in the church. What is our calling as lay people? And so, for most of us, our calling involves family, marriage, having children, raising them, sending them out into the world. And so, I want to offer a couple of quotes again from the Second Vatican Council, this time from the document Gaudium et Spes on the church in the modern world. So there's two quotes that I want to share. The first one is a simple one, a short one that simply says, "The family is a kind of school of deeper humanity." So, what is this deeper humanity? What does it mean for us to make our families more deeply human? When we do that, when we are showing that deeper humanity, it is because we are showing our children, showing our spouses, showing our parents, brothers, and sisters what it's like to be loved by God in very specific and concrete ways through sacrifice, through affection, through sharing, through building up each other rather than tearing each other down. It's in these ways that we become more deeply human and the members of our families become more deeply human. And when they do that, they become more godlike. And this is the second quote. "Thus, following Christ by the sacrifices and joys of their vocation and through their faithful love, married people can become witnesses of the mystery of love which the Lord revealed to the world by his dying and his rising up to life again." So, when we love spouses and children genuinely, we are showing them and we are experiencing the love of Christ himself. That's how special the love of family is. And that's how important it is for us as members of families to show that love to each other. Our love for family is the love of Christ present in the world.